Today I take you mountain surfing at Iko Mountain, Phetchaburi. We are traveling with Peter and Tim. Iko Mountain is near Ebid Mountain, where I was flying some time ago. The link is in the description below. Welcome to Fly with Odin.
ตอนนี้เราอยู่เขาอีโก้ด้านหลังจะเป็นเขาอีโก้นะคะ ส่วนวัดที่นี่จะเป็นวัดพวงมาลัย คือเราไม่ได้เดินขึ้นไปจริงๆมีการเดินขับขึ้นเขาไปที่จุดชมวิวมันจะเป็นจุดเมื่อกี้จากที่คุยกับพระแจ้งมาแบบบอกว่าแบบต้องใช้ระยะเวลาในการเดินประมาณ1.5 ชั่วโมงจนไปถึงยอดนะคะไม่นับชั่วโมงขาลงด้วยเราก็เลยอีซี่หน่อยก็คือเดี๋ยวให้โอดินบินโดรนไปดูค่ะคือถ้าขึ้นก็คงไม่ไหวเหมือนกันเพราะว่าเวลาของเรามีจำกัดวันนี้แต่ก็นู่นจุดชมวิวน่าจะเป็นจุดตรงนู้นค่ะ
Because this mountain is much too challenging for us to climb up, I let the drone do the work and we can enjoy the view. I saw Karl climb this mountain the other day. I put a link to his video into the description below. If you watch this, you know what you are up to when you decide to climb Khao Iko. It sure is rewarding if you are fit enough and choose a day when Thailand is green and the visibility is good.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. Get me out of now. To where we started out. La 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 la. Oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks,
If you have not seen our previous video, you will find it here. Thank you for watching, and not forget to click like and to subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Yes, click now.